Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Divyasagal. In this tutorial, I'll give you 3 tips and tricks in Photoshop. First is selecting a set of hairs in an image. Second is change the background. And third is make it more shiny and dramatically eye-catchy. Please support me by liking this video, by giving a thumbs up and subscribing my channel for more creative tips and tricks, videos and tutorials. Please do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. So let's create with Divya. Guys, I make advanced tutorials, so I am assuming that you know the basics of Photoshop. As you can see that I have opened an image of a model. Her hairs are quite curly and complicated. My plan is to select these messed up curly hairs and then remove the background. I want a new background to be placed later behind her. For selection, there are many tools in Photoshop like lasso tool. You can use pen tool also, quick selection tool and many more. I personally love quick selection tool as it selects the area so quickly. So I will use quick selection tool for it. But before making a selection, let's unlock this image layer and add a new layer at the bottom of this image. I will choose a nice bright yellow color so that her brown hairs can be clearly visible. Now pick quick selection tool. Select the girl image layer and start selecting the girl's hair following her body. By pressing Alt plus clicking, you can minus the extra selected area. Now the girl's area is selected. Go to Refine Edge. Here we have many more options on which you can work as per your comfort. There is Marching Arts, Overlay, on black, on white, black and white and more. I'll work on overlay mode. Now increase the radius slowly. You can see that the black region around the corners of the hairs are fading. You don't have to touch adjust edge option. Select output to new layer with layer mask. Check the smart radius option. It will give more enhanced and refined look. Now press OK. Now see, there are many hairs on the edges that are grayish in color. We need to select the refined hairs from this gray region too. If we press Shift plus click on mask layer will be off. You will see the original image. Select the mask layer, but be careful this time. You have to select the mask layer, not the image layer. Right click on the mask layer and select Refine Mask once again. Check on Decontaminate Colors. It will fade the contaminated grey shade from the hairs and bring the original shade to it. You can see that the hair color is changed to golden brown. Increase the amount slowly for more refined hairs. Select new layer with layer mask and press OK. You can see we still have some gray portion on the edges of the hairs. We need to refine this now. If we uncheck the mask layer by pressing shift, we can see that what decontamination did with the hairs. It just added the nearly matched color around the edges of the hairs. Now uncheck the mask layer and this time select the image layer. Go to tools and select brush tool. Set its opacity to 100% and flow to 15%. If we press Alt, we can select the nearly matching color from the hair image. Select the color and start brushing on the edges to fade the grey color tone. You can see your brush effect by unchecking the mask layer. Guys, hair selection part is done. Now I'll give it a decent background. I have already saved a nice background. Let's take it and put behind the girl and adjust accordingly. Guys, now the whole image is looking very flat and boring. I want to give some depth to the image. For this, let's apply a motion blur filter to it. Give it a value as per your likeness. I am a kind of person who do a lot of R&Ds and researches. I always add my flavor into my creativity. It doesn't mean that everybody like my creativity, but still, I do so to make it more interesting. Similarly, in this too, I'll add some pinch of my flavor into it. I'll make a copy of the blur filtered layer and replace the motion blur by radial blur. Change its blending mode to screen. Reduce its opacity. It will give a nice dramatic looking depth to the image. Now guys, background part is also done. Now it's time for color correction to give it a classy and sharp look. Now I'll add some adjustment layers like gradient, color lookup and curves and adjust their parameters as per my choice. Now select the image layer, go to filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. Adjust the parameters as per your likeness. Similarly, apply the smart sharpen to the background layer as well. Guys, I feel that still something is missing in this image. I want to add some shiny party mood to the image. For this, on the top add a new layer. I'll choose a bright yellow color for it. Change the blending mode to soft light. Check the layer mask at the bottom of the layer panel. Select black as foreground color. Choose brush tool and start brushing the area you want that yellow colored mask to be visible as per your choice. That's all for today's guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video then please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for my more interesting videos. Bye bye guys, take care.